Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I have a little insight into client-attorney communications. Before I get to that, if you would like to speak with me, if you have any questions about elder law, please send me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw. You could schedule an appointment to speak with me. My website has a scheduling page, frankbrunolaw.com. So I had recent communications with a potential client. We had spoken on the phone. I was emailed some information. I received an email attachment where there was a letter written on behalf of this potential client's sibling, indicating that there was discrepancy, not to go too far into a discrepancy between two adult siblings concerning a parent. Now, one of the things that the potential client wanted me to do is respond in writing. Certainly, I have responded in writing. Correspondence with other attorneys is part of the trade. However, without any litigation, sometimes the appropriate approach is not to respond in writing to the other attorney, unless you know what it is that the other attorney or the other side really wants. So if they ask for, personal belongings to be returned, well, if you have the personal belongings, send them back. You don't need a lawyer to say, we have the belongings, and it's not like a hostage exchange. Just give the items back. We're looking for mom's passport. If you want to give the passport, just deliver it. You don't need a letter to accompany it, or you could write just a short note. Here's mom's passport, or here's mom's birth certificate, or here's mom's passbook. Right? Whatever it is that they may have asked. We'd like to see mom. Sure, why don't you come by Thursday or Friday, 4 to 6? Why don't you come by this weekend? How about you take mom to dinner on Sunday? Right? So there's a variety of things you could say without putting in writing too much. Why? Well, sometimes people say too much. Hey, I was holding the passbook for safekeeping. Or I didn't want to give you the passport unless you really needed it, or some other explanation or excuse that really could be used against you. Really, it isn't necessary. So be mindful of what you place in writing. Be mindful if you do have a response, will that escalate the situation, right? So think about those things. If you have a specific question or scenario in your own life, please reach out to me, frank@frankbrunolaw. Thank you.